Hello friends, welcome to the RBWM series of May 2026. See, in this series we are covering all the numericals, objective questions, case studies related to all the subjects. I am covering for RBWM, others are covering for PPB, Indian economy, accounts, all of them. All the numericals, objective questions, everything. So watch it completely, all the series. Like the video, like the channel, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon. Today we will be dealing with very important questions of AI and technology. You know the importance of AI and technology today. In banking, you can't work without computers is the old part now. You can't work without AI nowadays and blockchain technology. So both these technologies have entered the banking on a full scale. Okay, so that's why follow this completely, and it's very important from your exam point of view also. Fraud detection is what monitors transaction for many unauthorized activity or access to sensitive data. Which of the following is or are correct techniques used in transaction monitoring? So for transaction monitoring means what? Whether this is a fake transaction, whether this is a fraud transaction, AML issues, KYC issues, all these are tracked using what? Mining data with artificial intelligence to spot patterns in the transaction data. See, patterns. If I am a small exporter, or why exporter? I am a small businessman, shopkeeper. I am doing a regular shopkeeping business, and then what happens? One day, 10 crore come into my account. How? Shopkeeper, 10 crore. So, tracking the data, very important. Mining with artificial intelligence to spot patterns in transaction data. Modeling customer behaviors with statistical techniques like regression analysis. So, modeling customer behaviors. Same thing. Behavior means what? Just now I gave you. Okay, what is behavior? Behavior means the same thing. Last 5 years, I am doing the transaction of per month around 5 lakh, and immediately one day the transaction goes to 50 crores. It means immediately there is a problem. So all this is done using what? Technology nowadays. So only one is correct, only two is correct. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Both 1 and 2 are incorrect. Think now. Simple one, isn't it? Simple one. So what is the answer? Answer is both 1 and 2 are correct. Think of it. See, nowadays everything is AI. Everything. Without AI, there is no banking nowadays. AI and blockchain. Isn't it? Without AI and blockchain, there is no banking today. So that's why got it? So that's why AI, this system nowadays these systems are very much important. It is less of physical banking today, more of online banking. Frauds also nowadays happen online only. Physical frauds are very less because people know by robbing the cash in the branch, you can rob how much? 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh. If you do an online fraud, it's around, right, crores of rupees. So that's why everyone is focusing on online. Even robbers and the thieves are focusing on online now. Which of the following statements is or are correct regarding artificial intelligence? So which of them are correct? You want the question is correct. Always focus on the question. Do they want correct or incorrect one? Okay. Artificial intelligence or AI refers to software technologies that make robo or computer act or think like a human being. The concept of artificial intelligence and automation are the same. Only one is correct, two is correct, both 1 and 2 are correct, both 1 and 2 are incorrect. Think of it. AI is a software that makes robot or computer think like a human being. Is it so? Yes, that is right. What is AI? You ask just ChatGPT today, any question you ask it will give you better answers than what you think, right? This is the magic of AI, artificial intelligence. Almost 99.99% in fact, it thinks like a human being. The concept of AI and automation are same. Now, this is a problematic part, right? AI is well beyond automation. Automation means what? Automation. What do you mean by automation? It simply means computerization. When I shifted from ledger banking to computerized banking, that was called as automation. Automation is a 1990s era. Okay? This is AI is totally a next level. So only one is correct. Only one is correct. Okay? Got it? Which of the following is or are correct techniques, tools in transaction monitoring? Oh, I think so. We have done this. In which of the following ways artificial intelligence has been introduced in the ATMs? AI in ATMs. Think, to what level have we gone? Machine learning for cyber security, forecasting ATM cash demand, voice recognition of the customer. 2 and 3, 1 and 2, only 3, 1 and 2. Yes? Machine learning for cyber security, forecasting ATM cash demand, voice recognition. Yes? What is it? Machine learning is correct for cyber security. Okay? In fact, 1, 2 and 3 it should be. 1, 2 and 3. This should be the answer because all of them are correct. Machine learning is also a part of your this AI. Okay? Because AI means what? After all, AI means whatever the machine thinks of about itself or thinks on its own. Forecasting ATM cash demand, that is also introduced. Nowadays, you don't have to think. ATM only tells you. Tomorrow is a Diwali day. You will require more cash. It pops up. To that level, it has gone. Voice recognition of the customer. Right? Voice recognition systems are there. Earlier, we had what that card. Then came thumb. Then came that mobile. Right? Mobile means cashless. And now voice recognition. I speak and ATM recognizes me. Of course, it's not brought to that level because there are huge problems in it. I have so many mimicry artists, right? But it is there. Technology is there. Okay, so the answer is 1, 2 and 3. Which of the following is the Academic Research Institute unit of RBI which keeps studying the opportunities and challenges in the new technology areas? Institute of Development and Research in Banking Technology, Banking Innovation Hub, Institute of Banking and Technology, Technology and Innovation Hub. Now this is a tough one, really tough one. Think of it because all the names seem to be the same. Means they seem to give you the right answer, isn't it? All the names. But is it so? Is it so? Are all the names thinking about the opportunities and challenges in the new tech arena? Okay? Is it so? Think about it, everyone. Yes, the answer is. What is the answer? Think. What is the answer? See, various institutes have various roles. Okay? Various institutes have various roles. The role of studying the opportunities and challenges is done by IDRBT. Okay, Institute of Development and Research in Banking Technology. This does the role of studying the opportunities in the new tech arena. Okay, new technology, whatever is coming. So that is the answer. Okay, but what is this Banking Innovation Hub? Can anyone tell me in the comment section, what is Banking Innovation Hub? Yeah. See, basically it is of RBI. Okay, Reserve Bank. It's full form. Actually, it's RBIH, Reserve Bank Innovation Hub. They call it. Okay, it's a wholly owned subsidiary of RBI and serves primary engine for financial sector innovation. Core use is to solve complex problems in Indian financial ecosystem by building scalable digital infra. See, understand the words. Scalable digital infra. This is talking about infrastructure. Infrastructure. So this innovation hub will talk about infrastructure hub. Okay, latest infra. Okay, means what are the various innovations you can call it. There's like we have UPI, Unified Payment Interface. Similarly, you have ULI, Unified Lending Interface, ULI, Unified Lending Interface. That is also there. So, Unified Lending Interface is there. So, that is also brought in. So, that is one about this Banking Innovation Hub. Remaining two are also there. But yeah, mainly the questions in exam are on these two only. Okay. Next one. Read this. Which of the following statements are not true? Not true. Okay. Infinite. A closed user group network is a nationwide communication backbone for banking and financial sectors. Okay. So basically, closed user group network is a nationwide communication backbone for banking and financial sectors. Both, remember this, banking and financial. It's not only banking. Think of the answers. I want the not true, incorrect one. I want the incorrect one. What is the second one? Read the second one. Yes, read the second one. Various interbank and intrabank applications ranging from structured financial messaging system SFMS, electronic fund transfer EFT, electronic clearing services, electronic debit use infinite. So this infinite is used by all of them. Is it true? You want not true. Fund transfer under NEFT and RTGS is not done through infinite, not done. All of the above are true. What do you think? Firstly, what is the full form of infinite? Anyone knows? What is the full form of infinite? It is Indian. See, it's three words are combined together. Indian, INDIAN, Indian. See, these two. Financial. Okay, infi, okay, and network. I'll write network over here. Network. This is a full form. Indian Financial Network. Okay. So Infinet. So which one is true? Yes. What is the answer? Which one is true over here? Yes, the answer, the true one. What? Not true. Sorry, not true. I want false one, not true. So this is false. Fund transfer under NEFT RTGS is not done through Infinite. See, in above sentence B, what are you saying? SFMS uses Infinite. So that is true. NEFT and RTGS are done through SFMS only. NEFT and RTGS are done through SFMS only, structured financial messaging, this system. What is SFMS? It's a, whatever you do, see, whenever you do NEFT, okay, what do? You sit on that computer, take that form of that customer, whoever has given you this, and type it, put it in the system, right? Then the system generates a SFMS message. This message goes to your HO. From HO it goes to the clearing office, means RBSL. From there it transfers the funds, debits your account and credits that other account. So structured financial messaging, it is same as that of the SWIFT. SWIFT system is there worldwide. This is used for, SWIFT is used for your, dollar transfers, okay, throughout the world. Same, the answer to that SWIFT is SFMS. We do all NEFT RTGS using that, okay. So this is not true. NEFT and RTGS are done using Infinite. Infinite is a closed group network for nationwide communication for banks and financial institutions. Both, even private financial institutions use this, like Manappuram Finance, Sriram Finance. They also, NBFCs also use it. So next, which of the following statements are true? SFMS, Structured Financial Messaging System, is a secure messaging standard developed to serve as a platform for intra-bank and interbank applications. So it is used for intra-bank and interbank, means within the financial terms, okay, means financial institutions, bank to bank. Second one, Structured Financial Messaging System is a secure messaging standard developed to serve a platform for customer and interbank applications. So, does SFMS reach to the customer and the bank, or is it bank to bank? Think of it. Is the SFMS related to bank, or is it related to customer and bank? Yes. Is it related to customer and bank, or is it related bank to bank? Yes. Both are true or none of the above are true. The correct answer is C. Answer can be C also. It can be customer also. But the answer is A. It is for bank to bank. Just now I told you financial institutions. Even others can use it, but not the customer. Got it? Clear? So SFMS is a secure messaging standard developed to serve as a platform for intra-bank and interbank applications. Which of the following is true about National Financial Switch, NFS? So which of the following is true about NFS? Read this properly. Very important, NFS. You are using it on a daily basis, but you don't know. Bankers don't know they are using NFS. So what is the option? NFS is the ATM network, right? NFS is an ATM network. Second one, each member joining NFS's network would have to pay one-time fee, subscription fee of 3 lakh plus applicable taxes. So anyone who is joining NFS has to pay a fee of 3 lakh. Is it true? Think. Next. In the NFS sponsorship model, now there is a sponsorship model, means one bank will sponsor other bank. The sponsor bank will have to pay a one-time fee of 6 lakh plus applicable taxes. So this Other banks are paying 3 lakh, normal banks. Suppose if I want, I'll pay 3 lakh, okay, for my ATMs. But if I'm a sponsor bank, means I'm taking care of other banks also. Now there can be many banks. Limit will be given, but then I'll have to pay 6 lakh. And if there is any sub bank, then suppose XYZ bank is a sub bank of mine, I am a sponsor bank. So that bank, if it wants to take this NFS network, it will have to go through me only, because why? I am the sponsor, I am the boss. So which one is true over here? Answer is all of the above. All of them are true. Individual bank 3 lakhs, sponsor bank 6 lakhs, and NFS is the ATM network. That's why I said we use it on a daily basis, but we don't know. Okay, NFS means National Financial Switch. The universe of digital lenders is classified into 3 groups. So digital lenders, they are classified into 3 groups. Which are those? Entities regulated by RBI and permitted to carry out lending business, who are regulated by RBI. Entities authorized to carry out lending as per other statutory regulatory provisions, but not regulated by RBI. There are others who are not regulated by RBI. Entities lending outside the purview of any statutory regulatory provisions. No one is governing them. But then also they are doing it. You see so many advertises on the YouTube and everywhere you get a loan immediately, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs. Online lenders, they call themselves crowdfunding. Very risky. If you fall into that trap, you are gone. Very risky. They won't give you money, they'll take your money. Okay? So which one of them is correct? Is all of them? All of the above are true? Are there any institutions who are not governed by RBI or anyone? Are there any institutions who are governed by others? The answer is yes. All of the above are true. See, the lending space, online lending space, is divided into these categories. Governed by RBI, supervised by RBI, supervised by someone else, but someone is there. Someone else. Third is not supervised by anyone. Free flow. Very risky, guys. Okay? Who among the following coined the term artificial intelligence? Who among the following coined the term artificial intelligence? Means who gave this name artificial intelligence? John McCarthy, Alan Turing, Alan Noble, and Herbert Salmon. Now many of you will say, sir, why these names and everything? Is this asked in exam? Wow, history, is it asked? This name, that name? It is asked. This question I have seen almost 2 to 3 times since May 23. 2 to 3 times. Same question. So you shouldn't assume that years will not be asked, names will not be asked. Don't assume this. Anything can be asked. And that's why follow the series. Okay? Follow the complete series. Follow the paid classes also. Isn't it? So what is the answer? Think of it, yeah? Think of it. How many of you can answer this? Think of it, everyone. Think. Is it John McCarthy or is it Alan Turing? John McCarthy or Alan Turing or Alan Noble? These names we don't even know, isn't it? We don't even know these names, many of us, right? Has anyone heard of this name, John McCarthy? Or have you heard of this name, Alan Turing? Anyone? We generally hear 2-3 names only. Bill Gates and what? Some Apple founder, right? Then 3-4 names we know. That's it. These all, or If you go for the history, you know Edison, right? Many of us, Edison, Newton, right? Anyone know John McCarthy or Alan Turing? So what is the answer? Who among the following coined this term? It is John McCarthy. John McCarthy gave this term. Okay? Which of the following introduced the first universal credit card, a portable payment solution that could be used at numerous member establishments? So, who introduced the credit card basically? Who introduced? Now, various names. See, was it Barclays? Was it Diners Club? Was it Synchrony Financial? Was it American Express? What do you think? Or was it Visa? Okay, I'll give you two, three more names. Chalo, let's see. E, I'll give you E also. E, Visa. I'll give you F, MasterCard. So who introduced this? MasterCard. Yeah? Who introduced this credit card system? Think of it. I'll give you 6 options. Chalo. Okay? Think of it. Who introduced this credit card? Was it Barclays? Was it Diners? Was it Synchrony? Was it Amex? Amex is called as American Express Bank. That's called as Amex. It's one of the big banks, you can call it. Okay? Visa, Master. Many of you I am seeing you are typing the answer as Visa or Master because we know Visa, Master names, right? Many of us are typing this name. Visa, Master, right? We don't know these names. Barclays, Diners, Synchrony, Amex. Amex also we don't know that much. Amex is only one branch in, one or two branches, one in Delhi, one in Bangalore, I think so. Or only one branch is there of Amex in our country. So, that also trade finance, not related to retail. Visa Master we know. So, many of you, I am saying Visa Master. The correct answer is totally different. We don't even know this name now. Diners Club. The credit card was introduced by Diners Club. We don't even know because that name is gone now, isn't it? Next. Which among the following company introduced an initiative in which the people could use their phones directly for the purchases? So who introduced? People could use their phone for their purchases. Was it done by Google, by Amazon, by Paytm or by Apple? Think now, think. Who introduced this? Means directly phone. Nowadays what we use, phone pay. The thing which we use phone pay over here is what? That only. Phone pay came because of what? Phone pay is this, UPI, IMPS, what is all this? This is the part of the same question. Introduce the initiative in which people could use their phones directly for their purchases. So, they introduced the wallet system, wallet. They introduced the wallet system, wallet. Okay, this wallet system nowadays we have common, right? You all have, you know the wallet system. In the mobiles we have wallets, right? Nowadays this wallet is also gone, not that much working because nowadays what has happened, this UPI is directly linked to the account, isn't it? Earlier what used to happen, this UPI was linked with wallet and then wallet was linked with account. Now what has happened, directly it has shifted from year to year. So this middle person is gone. So who introduced this? Was it introduced by Google, Amazon, Paytm, Apple? See, two names are prominent. Amazon is not in the phone business, so it won't be there. Paytm came later, just now Paytm has come. So that is also gone. Either Google or Apple, right? Two only contenders. So who did it? It was Google. Google did it, okay? Google introduced the wallet system at that time. It was in 2011. Yeah. 2000 is the year given? It was in 2011. Okay, Google introduced the wallet system. Afterwards, all these things came. Now UPI has come. We also very fast we went in, right? Google in our country, Google Pay is also there. But better than that, we have Phone Pay now. Okay. So that is also there, right? Among the given, which of the following is or are the benefits of mobile banking? Benefits, huh? Which are the benefits? Now this is quite easy. Facility for using banking facility from anywhere. Easy operations, instructions carried out by self. Option to pay utility bills. All of the above. So what are the main features or advantages of mobile banking now? Banking facility anywhere, is it so? Banking facility anywhere, right? Then easy operations. How is mobile banking? Mobile banking is easier one, right? Nowadays we have app banking. See, app banking is what? App banking is a part of mobile banking only, isn't it? App banking is a part of mobile banking only because it's on the mobile. So nowadays what can you do? Only these three features. See, this is all of the above. The option to pay the utility bill, everything you can do, all these things. But there are other features which are introduced nowadays. Not only this banking facility, then easy operations, utility bills. You can apply for loans. Apply for loans, right? Apply loans. Then credit cards. Apply for credit cards. You can apply over here. You can do your investments. Investments can be done. Because now, see, this was all at the introduction phase. This mobile banking feature which was there, it was in the introduction phase. Means 2004-5 we had mobile banking started. Means, 2001 it was already started, but 2003 and 4 it came heavily. But that was not this app system. Now the app system has come later, after 2008 almost, 8-9, the app system has come. Now the app system has allowed almost every feature. Whatever you want to do in banking, you can do it on the mobile now. Right? What all can you do more? What all can you do more? Bill payments, apply for loans, apply for credit cards, investments you can do. You can, there's easy operations, all these, see, statement, card statement, you can get it, right? What all, just type in the comment section, what all can you do using mobile banking, other than these, whatever I have mentioned. Type it, everyone. Next. The natural language technology can process queries to answer questions, find information, connect users with various banking services, eliminating language barriers. This reduces human error, systemizing the efficiency. Firstly, understand this. We are talking of a technology, right, which can process queries to answer questions like the human being, okay, like the same as human being. Find the information, connect the users, eliminating language barriers. This reduces human error, okay. Which of the following AI-enabled technology is mentioned over here? Blockchain hastening, smart wallets, voice-assisted banking, and underwriting. So what are we talking of over here? See, many of you are typing in the comment section. See, what are you saying over here? You are saying a chatbot over here. Frankly, it's a chatbot, right? What is a chatbot? Chatbot means basically giving you the full information, isn't it? Like a normal human being, it will give you the full information like the normal human being, isn't it? And without any error, because it's a machine after all. It will correctly judge your views, correctly judge your anger, correctly judge your happiness, your moods. It will judge it. So what is that actually? What is that technology? That technology is not chatbot. Technologies among these: blockchain hastening, smart wallets, voice assisted banking and underwriting. See this, blockchain is not a technology to recognize the voice. Blockchain is what? Blockchain technology is separate. Blockchain is the authentication system. Authentication means once you put it in blockchain, it will never change at all in the life. Okay? Smart wallets, this is a payment system. Here we are talking of voice assisted, voicing, understanding the customer's emotions. That's what we are talking of over here. So this is also gone. This is also gone. Underwriting. Underwriting is altogether different. Underwriting has nothing to do with technology. Underwriting is basically giving the assurance, a guarantee of payment. Right? So this is also gone. So answer is this, voice assisted. Voice assisted banking. In this, what happens? The chatbot understands your mood. Nowadays, we have gone to that level and it answers accordingly, whatever your mood is. Okay? Among the given, which of the following is not correctly matched on the basis of payment system? Not correctly. Pay attention to the question. Not correctly. Now, these are short forms. You have to think. I'll give you the full forms also. RTGS, you know. CPC. Central Processing Center. Central Processing Center, or CPU you can call it. RTGS is matched with CPC. So it means that RTGS is linked to a central processing server or unit. NEFT linked to a CPC. ECS, you know, electronic clearing system. Now it is gone. Electronic system clearing system is no more that much active now. Okay? Why? Why ECS is not that much active? Because it has been replaced by this has been replaced now. Electronic system clearing system is now replaced by what? NAC. National Automated Clearing House. So this is replaced now. So ECS is linked to DPS. What is DPS? DPS. Okay? DPS means diversified. Okay? DPS is diversified. Means local level. Diversified. Okay? Processing system. Okay? Processing. You can name it in various names. System. Okay? You can name it in various names. You can call it diversified, you can call it delegated, anything. But logic is what? DPS means it is distributed. See, there is one more word, distributed. This is also right. Distributed, delegated, okay, distributed. So, ECS is linked to distributed network, means it is not linked to a central server. And NECS, National Electronic Clearing System, it is linked to CPC. So, which one is not correctly matched? So, you have to give me the answer for this. Which one is not correctly matched? Yes, think. It is. Firstly, what is distributed network? Distributed means what? There is no central server. Everyone is doing it on their own regional basis or local basis. Like we had, I'll give you one simple example, MICR clearing. Those who were there in the MICR clearing earlier, before this CTS, centralized truncation, there was a clearing called as MICR clearing. MICR clearing was distributed because it was done at a clearing house, local. So, is ECS distributed? No, ECS is always linked to a central server, right? Otherwise, how can you perform ECS? So, this is not correctly matched. Remaining all are correctly matched. For doing NEFT, you have to have a central server. RTGS same. NECS electronic, National Electronic Clearing System. So, again CPC should be there, isn't it? Consider the following statements regarding the blockchain technology in banking and choose the incorrect one. See this, incorrect. Pay attention, always pay attention to the question. Do they want correct or incorrect? In exam, just by paying attention to this part, incorrect or correct, true or false, you will save around 5 to 6 marks in exam. So, blockchain is centralized and digital ledger. Blockchain is digital information stored in public databases. You want the incorrect one, huh? Blockchain is used to store encrypted data. Blockchain technology visions to solve multiple issues related to digital transactions such as data security, fraud prevention, etc. So, which one is incorrectly matched? Think. Which one is incorrectly matched? Yeah. Is it centralized and digital ledger? What is blockchain basically? Blockchain is basically, let me show you. See, blockchain works on a 4 alphabet system. Mind it, remember it by heart throughout your life. It works on a 4 alphabet system. BBAA, B, B, A and A. Okay, BBAA system. Okay, first one is block. B is block. It works, means any transaction which comes, any transaction, anything which happens, it first blocks that transaction. Stop. Okay, first it will stop, block. Afterwards, what will it do? It will broadcast it to the chain members. See, there is a chain, there is a member of chains, like this it is. This is the chain, block and chain. So these are the blocks, various blocks. So it will broadcast it to various members over here. This is party A, party B, party C, party D, various stakeholders we call it. So it will broadcast it to all the stakeholders and inform them, see, this transaction has happened. Are you agreeing to this? So this will broadcast, right? It will broadcast. Then next, what will it do? Now, once it is broadcasted to all the members, what will happen? All the members will authenticate it. Yes, we agree to this. Means all of them will agree. Either they will agree or someone will not agree. If someone doesn't agree, then the transaction doesn't go forward. It will stop there only and return back. But if they agree, then that is called as authenticate. All of them have authenticated. Authenticate. Okay? So they have authenticated it. And last stage is adding. Add. They will add it now. Add to the blockchain. So once it is added, now it is time stamped. This is called as time stamping. Once it is time stamped, then nothing can happen in this. Over. You can't change it at all in your entire life. Okay? So that's why blockchain is one of the best technologies. But what is the answer over here then? I gave you the blockchain, but the answer is this B. Blockchain is a digital information stored on a public databases. You can't keep it on public database. If you keep it on public database, what's the use of this blockchain, authenticate everything? Hacking will happen immediately, isn't it? Got it? Which of the following is which of the following bank is currently using an AI-based solution developed by CAIIB, the winning team from the hackathon organized by them, that captures the facial expressions of the customers and helps them in understanding the behavior of its customers? My God, see this. CAIIB, some company, this company has developed major technologies, and which bank is using it? HDFC Bank, ICICI, SBI, Axis. Who's using it? It is used by SBI. Okay now? So everyone, before going, the new batches of JAIIB are just starting now. They are starting on 20th. Kindly join them ASAP. Don't miss this. Say this. Success batch for JAIIB starting on 20th of February. Totally new batch. ebooks, mock tests, live classes, everything is there. Join this batch ASAP. Detailed batch. All the full portion is covered, all the numericals are covered, objective questions are covered. Join it immediately. Okay? And discounts, look at the discount part. The discount part which you are getting right now is, put the code Y432, Y432. 81% discount you are getting, plus 1% extra by downloading the app. So net 82% discount. Huge thing it is. Join it ASAP. Don't miss the batch. Detailed batch starting on 20th February. Never forget the code Y432. Okay?